Alright, hello guys. So we're building Lego Friends. So Tristan,
I had this Lego for, but I lost the pieces, and this is how far I am.
yep. So we just bought a new one. So I'm gonna show.
And I already had one.
So
I
he almost built this so fast.
I already had this one before.
By the time I got the camera, he was almost done. Sorry.
I already had this.
The old one, what? Some pieces got lost?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had this one, but pizza got lost.
Well, we need new chairs for your little table.
Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
That's a bad boy.
No, we need new. I said we need new.
No bad
new chairs.
boys for doing this.
Because I changed it. Sorry. There's Tristan in action. All right. What is that? A gas station?
No. Let me show you.
Oh yeah, let me see what it looks like. So this is what it's gonna look like. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that does it for 1 and 2. Now we gotta go to 3.
Guys.
Look at this. This is pretty cool.
Yeah. It goes back.
And forward.
And it doesn't. Wait, where's my truck?
There you go. Good job.
There.
That was pretty cool. He built it himself, Mr. Genius over here.
Beep, beep.
So, what page are we on now?
Back at the same.
Oh my goodness, you're almost done.
I still have to do number 4.
Number 4? Okay. Alright. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. This is Buddy. Hi, buddy. Alright, almost done. What are we doing now? Oh, you're looking for the...
It's back in.
Yeah, of course. How many pages we got left? Oh, we don't got that many left. Oh, I should say you. Are you building another car? Okay.
Friends' cars are finished.
Alright, so we finished the Lego Friends car. That's Penelope singing her karaoke. Sorry, it's a mess. It's the kids' area. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Look at the inside. Is that a race car in there?
Yeah.
I love this part where it opens.
I like where the car shows.
The car show?
Oh, you're still going
I love it.
You're still
Oh, sorry. Alright, so this is Lego
Look,
Friends.
You forgot.
And
Wait,
it
guys.
is awesome.
Wait.
Oh, what is this? What is that?
Like where you drive, they could fix. They could fix it.
Yes, karaoke, Penny. Yes.
And
It's only 6 in the morning, guys.
it does, guys. Look, they have these to paint.
Oh, so this is a show car?
You can buy it. She's buying it. I like it for $100. All right, you can buy it.
Alright. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.